Yo, what is up y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very special video as I will be talking about the jewelry company that brought this beauty to my neck. And that is SOUFEEL. And SOUFEEL is based out of New York, and you guys may already heard of them because they are pretty popular on Instagram. Their @handle is SOUFEEL Jewelry, and be sure to check them out. But today specifically I will be talking about this name necklace I got right here in gold. SOUFEEL was nice enough to reach out to me and ask me to review their product, and they sent me this in the mail today, and tonight was the first time wearing it, and I am already in love with it because it is super cute. Let me take it off so I can show you guys up close what it looks like. It came with this cute little velvet bag that I could place the necklace in, and this is their logo, and it has a cute little heart of their double E's. This is the actual necklace itself, and I got mine in gold. And yeah, overall I pretty much only have positive things to say about this necklace because it is super reflective, as you can see right here, and I feel like the thin chains just make it look more dainty and cute. And it just matches with anything. You can wear this every day to any occasion and it'll still look good. You can wear it with a casual outfit, you can wear it with something a little more fancy, but it's pretty versatile. Not only that, it also comes in different colors, so if you aren't a fan of gold, then you can also get one in silver, you can get one in rose gold, and not even that, there are different font variations of necklaces that you can look through on their website because there are different styles other than just this one right here specifically. I will leave the links down below in the description box that goes directly to name necklaces, or also another one for late Christmas shopping if you are one of those late Christmas shoppers. There are so many to choose from, but I guarantee that whatever you guys decide to purchase, it will suit you and you will be pretty satisfied. And also I have a promo code that is right here, and it is also down below in the description box. Don't forget to use it to get 15% off your purchase, because who doesn't want to save money? And other than that, that is pretty much it for today's video, y'all. You will definitely see me rocking this necklace more often because it does match really well with anything that I wear, so peep it. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.